Lunari, a tiny star with a curious heart, looked out across the sky. Everything felt still, like the world was getting ready to dream. Below her, the earth was calm. Lights in the houses were turning off one by one. A cat curled up in a windowsill. A little boy hugged his pillow and closed his eyes. Lunari sighed. "I wonder what dreams feel like," she whispered. Then something moved beside her. A small, fluffy cloud drifted close, shaped like a boat. It rocked gently in the air, like it had been waiting just for her. "Would you like to go for a ride?" the cloud asked, its voice soft as a feather. Lunari blinked. "Me?" The cloud gave a quiet nod. She floated over and climbed aboard. The moment she settled in, the cloud began to glide. They sailed above the tallest mountains and over deep blue lakes. A tiny owl flew beside them for a moment, then disappeared into the trees. They saw a whale-shaped cloud glowing gently in the moonlight, and a comet passed by with a shimmering tail that sparkled like fairy dust. Lunari looked down. Children were sleeping peacefully in their beds. Some were dreaming of castles, others were dreaming of flying with dragons or dancing on rainbows. She smiled and whispered a wish for each one. "Dream big, wake up happy." The cloud boat gently dipped lower through soft layers of sky. Soon they reached the edge of the night, where dreams begin and starlight listens. There they found a garden floating quietly in the sky. It was filled with glowing flowers that only opened while the world slept. They hummed gentle songs only the stars could hear. Lunari touched one of the petals. It pulsed gently like a heartbeat. She knew she'd remember this garden forever. The cloud nudged her gently. "It's time to go home, Lunari." They floated back toward her cozy corner of the sky. She climbed off the boat and looked back once more. "Thank you," Lunari whispered. "You are very welcome," said the cloud. "Dreams are always near." She curled up in the soft starlight, closed her eyes, and for the first time ever, she dreamed. You are safe, you are loved, you can dream big and do wonderful things. Good night.